In this video we are talking about if Quant is going to the upside or if we see a move to the downside. As you can see, we are still in a weekly uptrend with higher lows. We saw this bearish reaction from the supply zone, but it didn't cause a lower low because we have this low right here and this low is higher. So we are still in a bullish structure. But what is happening right now? As we go deeper into the chart, you can see that we are in this demand zone right here. We saw this wick down under this demand zone, but then came across to the upside, but we didn't saw the bullish momentum to the upside. Then we came again under this lows, but right now we didn't saw a body close under this demand zone. And if we are down seeing a big body close under this demand zone, then it's looking not too bad for Quant. But if we are seeing a big body close here, this is a very bearish sign for Quant. But for this weekly candle, we have 2 days left. So we need to see how the price evolves. As we go on the daily chart, you can see that we have lower highs all the way, but we have equal lows right here. And we are always seeing this wicks. And wicks are often signs that we are seeing a bullish reaction in this case because the price moved to the downside and we had so much buying pressure that the price moved again to the upside. So the chance is high that we are taking some liquidity right here, and if we are having enough liquidity right here, the chance is high that we are moving to the upside. And this daily candle looks very bullish. So the chance is given if we are breaking to the upside and if we are breaking this high right here that we are seeing higher prices for Quant. So on the smaller time frame, it's very important that we are breaking this resistance to the upside. I think this candle could be very nice for a bullish momentum, but if we are closing not bullish, the chance is also really high that we are moving to the downside. So right now it's not too clear if we are seeing a pump to the upside or if we see a move to the downside. I think that it will depend if this range is broken to the upside or to the downside. But if we are breaking to the downside, I think that the demand zone at this prices could be the next support. And if we are breaking to the upside, it's very important that we are breaking this highs to the upside, so we are on a bullish structure on the daily time frame again. But if anything interesting happens at Quant, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on Quant. So I think that the range will decide if Quant is pumping to the upside or if we see a move to the downside. So this was it for this video. Comment down below which altcoin do you want to see in the next videos. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits in trading and see you in the next one.